Alright guys, for today's video, I'm going to solve my cube using the scramble sent by Josh the Dasher. I'll show him how I would solve this cube without any advanced technique since he's just a sub 20. So, let's go. For the explanation of the solve, this is pretty much a basic cross solution. It is a 5 move cross. This pair, I can already see this pair. Basically this pair would preserve itself because of the nature of the solution. So I don't need to do extra move on it, but this is how it goes. It preserves itself, and you can do a simple basic solution on this one, since this one is already paired up, like lined up, so you can solve it using F moves. Also this one you can also do it like this, rotate, solve this, that, and this pair. And U-perm. Yeah, pretty basic solution.